up, you guys? It's Alexa. Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can tell by the new background, it's Halloween season and I'm so excited because October is like my favorite month of the year because it's my birthday month, obviously Libra gang, and it's Halloween. I absolutely love dressing up and I love making videos for you guys for Halloween season, but I'm so sorry because it's already October 14th and I'm like super late. My bad. But you know what? She's alive, she's here, she's well, and she's making Halloween videos for you guys for the next 2 weeks. I'm gonna slam them out. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys 4 different costumes that are completely no-sew because who has the time to be sewing up a costume? These are actually really cheap. They're under $10 because what kind of person wants to spend $50 on a costume that they're only gonna wear for one day? I mean, I would do that, but like, not everyone is like that, so I'm giving you guys options. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next time that I post. Also, if you guys do not follow me on Instagram, you guys probably do not know what happened this week, so I'm gonna make a little announcement before we jump into this video. Unfortunately, my pet spider, Andrew Garfield, has passed away this week. He passed away while I was sleeping on Wednesday night, and I'm so sad, and yes, I did name him after the actor that plays Spider-Man, Andrew Garfield. If you guys have arachnophobia or are just like terrified of spiders, you guys are more than welcome to just skip along to the tutorial, but I promise you guys he's like such a cute and adorable little spider. So this was my spider Andrew and he was so cute. He was like a little jumping spider, and this is a Google photo that I pulled off the internet because I mean I don't have any like super up close ones like this, but this is exactly what he looked like, and he was so cute because he had little blue and holographic green fangs and he was fuzzy. So it's perfect that every store has Halloween decor because they have these giant spiders. So I painted one that looked exactly like Andrew. This is for you, Andrew. I love you and I miss you and I know you're happy up in spider heaven. Okay, let's get on to the tutorials. That would be Andrew's voice if Andrew had a voice. Okay, tutorial time! I'm starting with the ninja costume because it's the easiest and the cheapest. For this costume, you need half a yard of red jersey material, scissors, black paint, and a glue gun. First, fold in the material to make it double layered and cut out a rectangle that is approximately 12 inches wide and 15 inches long. Now fold that piece in half and starting from the folded edge, cut off the bottom corner and cut up the side, tapering up towards the top. Add a strip of glue to the inside edge and place the top layer over it. Add glue to all 4 sides and leave the top edge open. Let this dry for a bit and then turn it inside out. You can now flatten the edges and poke out the corners. Your seam should look like this, and it should look pretty clean, like as if you guys sewed it with a sewing machine. To add a symbol, I just used puffy paint because I had this lying around, but you guys are more than welcome to just use regular black paint. Also, I have no idea what this symbol means. I literally just googled ninja symbol and this was like the first thing that popped up. While your paint is drying, you can move on to your straps, which is literally just strips cut out of the rest of the material. I like working with jersey because it automatically curls and tucks in the raw edges inside. To help the fabric curl a little bit more, I like to give it a slight baby pull. I also cut an extra thick strap for the ninja flap. Add glue to the center of the strap, place your flap on top, flip the top over, add glue to the very top edge and fold it over. By the way, to add the straps, all I did was wrap and crisscross it all the way down my arms and legs and tied it at the back. So for my costume, I used a basic bodysuit, a mesh long sleeve top, my old cheer Spankies for extra coverage, but that's totally optional, my ninja flap skirt cover thing. Like, does anyone even know what this is called? Because I don't. Your straps, a mask, ninja daggers, and a sword, both of which I got at Dollar Tree. Besides all the normal clothes I already have, this costume only costs $3.50. Now you can be a cute ninja thought or a thought slaying ninja. I have looked through the day and I have looked through the night. I won't stop searching for you, it's alright. I will sail all the oceans, I will feel the sea breeze. Next we have this cute pinata costume. By the way guys, do you like my pun? Because I just have like a ton of thought puns right now. For this one you need a structured top and a structured bottom or a full dress. Just make sure you're using one that's non-stretch, different colored streamers, a glue gun, and some scissors. You want to make sure you're using clothes that has a closure and that it's non-stretch because you're basically gluing paper to your clothes and paper is not stretchy, people. To make your fringe, all you do is fold your streamer multiple times, and it doesn't matter how you guys fold it. Then snip all the way down your streamers, cutting up 3/4 of the way. Repeat this to the rest of the colored streamers. Add a strip of glue 1 inch from the bottom and stick the top of the streamer onto it. Do this until you get all the way around the skirt. You guys can also start from the top, but I found that starting at the bottom was easiest for me. Alternate through the colors, keeping them about 1 inch apart. Also make sure you guys open your closure before gluing so that you don't accidentally glue over it. If you run out of streamer in the middle, you can always cut a new set and then overlap the ends. You guys honestly cannot tell the difference. You guys can also double up on the streamers if you feel that it's not enough and if your clothes are peeking through. I also painted the straps of my top to blend it in a little bit better. Making a headband is optional, but if you want one, all you need is sturdy paper and a headband. You guys can use anything that's bendable, like I am literally using a UPS envelope from one of my packages. Cut out a rectangle and starting from the middle, fold it and curl it into a cone shape. Cut off the excess and glue the end down. Cut the bottom to make it flat and straight, and then just like your outfit, add your streamers. Glue the cones to the headband and you are finished. I had to thrift the clothes for this costume, so it ended up costing me like $9, but if you already have the clothes, then it should only cost you guys $4. Also, did anyone else use a bat to hit a pinata, or was that just my family? This costume is just a taco. I couldn't think of a good pun, so it's just a taco. All you need is a brown dress or top, 1 yard of thick dark mustard felt, scissors, a Sharpie, a glue gun, yellow, red, and green felt sheets. Fold your felt in 4s and draw out your taco shape. Then carefully cut the shell out. You don't have to cut it when it's folded in 4s because she is super thick, so feel free to cut it when it's folded in half if that's easier for you guys. In the middle of the left side of your shell, make a circle for your armhole. You can keep cutting the hole bigger until you feel that it's a good size for your arm to fit through. Add glue in between the pieces and stick them together. The pieces will shift, so cut off any excess to clean the edges. For the felt sheets, I just cut them into shapes. I cut the red one into squares to represent diced tomatoes. I cut the yellow one into strips to imitate cheese shreds. And for the green one, I literally just cut them into clouds because I did not know what else to do. I mean, it's supposed to be lettuce, but I didn't know what shape to make lettuce. I guess I could have cut them into strips, but whatever. Then I just glued them onto my dress in no specific order. I just did whatever was pleasing to the eye. The costume ended up costing about $8 because I had to thrift the brown dress, but if you guys happen to have like a brown dress, then this will cost you like $6. And last but not least, everyone knows Twerking Tina from Bob's Burgers. For Tina's outfit, you need navy material, knee-high socks, a paintbrush, scissors, red paint, a jar, Velcro stickers, and a glue gun. Place the sock over the jar and paint one thick red strip at the top. I like to paint an outline first and then fill it in. When the socks are drying, you guys can make your skirt. If you can find a navy skirt at the thrift store, that would be amazing. Unfortunately, I couldn't, so I had to make mine. I started off by cutting a square and then cutting up the side, tapering in as I got up towards the top. By the way, this is double layered, so I am cutting 2 pieces at a time. Add glue to the left side and fold the edge in. Do the same thing to the other skirt piece, but this time, place the folded edge of the skirt on top of the glue. This will make it look like you guys have a clean sewn side seam. Glue and fold all the other raw edges down to keep them from fraying. I accidentally made the skirt a little too small, so I ended up with a mini side slit, so just in case you guys don't want that, make sure that your skirt is a little wider. Next, I placed the Velcro stickers on the inside of the top flap. These are from the 99-cent store and already have a sticker back, so hot gluing them down isn't needed, but I just did it for extra security. Then place the other Velcro piece on top, making sure that the spiky and the fuzzy side are sticking together so that the sticker back is facing up. Put your skirt on and carefully fold over the flap to where it would fit your waist, and then the sticker back will stick onto the other side of the flap. The Velcro will end up being in a diagonal because it's fitting to your waist. To finish the costume, just add your red striped socks, a sky blue tee which I thrifted, and some black sneakers. Oh, and don't forget the hair clip. Everything ended up costing about $7.50. For watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope you guys got some ideas. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have any costume requests. One of my upcoming videos is doing Halloween costumes for like cold weather. If you guys want to connect with me on social media, all my socials are at thenavarose. I think that's it. So from me and Fake Andrew, we will see you guys in our next video. Bye!
Hit open.